Hey team, I just wanted to reach out to everyone. I just got everyone's peer review assignment sent out, and I wanted to give you a little bit of additional information about how to complete it, talk over some of the documents that I sent to you. So this is going to be kind of quick and short. I do want to show you a couple of things because you were given a paper to review. You were given an example of someone who had previously peer reviewed a paper in a different methods class, and you're given the rubric. So I want to show you the example and the rubric. The rubric is all set up for you. All you have to do is plug in the numbers. So let me go ahead and share my screens with you so that you can see what I am wanting to show you. This is the example peer review. As you can see, I removed all the identifiable information. If you look over at the comments, some of these are substantive, some of them are more along the lines of just an editing, a good proofing. You can do both, that's certainly helpful. But as you can see, some of this, did you run across any data showing how much higher? So some of these are very substantive questions that would really help improve the paper. I also want to show you very quickly how to use track changes so that you can easily provide feedback for your peers. You want to go to the review button, make sure track changes is on, and then if you don't like a sentence or a paragraph, you can just type over it. I don't like this. Just like that. So that's one way, track changes. Now you can also leave comments. To leave a comment, all you have to do is highlight a section that you're leaving the comment about and hit new comment. And a comment box is gonna pop up and you can write in here whatever you want. This paragraph does not flow very well. So you can leave feedback for your peers through track changes and also through comments. So the example that you have is what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for great job. I'm not looking for awful paper. I'm looking for substantive, real feedback that you are giving to your peers to help improve their papers. So please think about it that way and make sure that you're, being kind if there's a growth area in a paper. Provide them as much detail as you can. Really give it a very thorough review because you do get graded on your feedback to your peers. So this is the first part. This is just an example peer review that I sent to you. Now you have your own papers to peer review. Please do provide feedback within the text of the paper using track changes and or comments. So let me stop sharing that and share something different. I'm going to show you the rubric. This is the rubric. It's an Excel file. As you can see, there are numbers here. This is a score of 0 to 5. You can read all the criteria. All you have to do is plug in a number. If I change this to a 4, it's automatically going to adjust this score right here. So all you have to do is put the numbers in. These numbers here, same thing. The point total is already calculated. All you have to do is put the number in. So if it's a 3, you put in a 3, and it's automatically going to change for you. So you don't need to mess with any of the weights. You don't need to put anything in this column. It'll automatically calculate for you. Where you want to put the scores are in these columns right here and these columns right here. That's the only place you want to put numbers. Again, it's 0 through 5. And you just need to review it, see where you think they land, and send me that information. I do need both the peer review rubric and the peer reviewed paper returned to me via email. Again, via email by Monday at 11:59 p.m. So if you have any questions, any doubts, anything that you need to go over with me, please do just reach out, give me a call, send me an email, or we can talk during our next Zoom session, which is Monday at 7:30. And I do have office hours this Friday from 11 to 2. So we can also talk at that time. So please do use the rubric that I provided, and also use that example because the reviewer did provide some good feedback, both substantive and also just a good thorough proofing of the paper. So you have your assignments. Let me apologize, I mixed up a few of them and had to correct it, but everybody has their papers now, all their de-identified papers. All you have to do is just send it back to me via email on Monday by 11:59 p.m. I will combine that with my own feedback and then pump those back out to you probably Tuesday morning for you to do your final edits and get that turned in. Okay, so if you have any questions, again, let me know. If not, I hope everyone has a great Wednesday evening and that everyone is staying safe and healthy. If you need anything, let me know. Have a good evening.